We are thrilled to showcase the National Law Enforcement Museum activation. The activation took place in Washington, D.C. and was open to the public in conjunction with the launch of the museum on Saturday, October 13, 2018. The National Law Enforcement Museum is dedicated to telling the story of American law enforcement by providing visitors a walk in their shoes experience. The museum's core mission is to introduce visitors to the proud history and many facets of American law enforcement. The idea and concept was brought to our team with the main objective to bridge the gap between law enforcement and the communities which they serve. The structure needed to be eye-catching and symbolic, just as much as it needed to be functional. Walking up into this entry, you were welcomed with a standalone plaque centered just outside the bridge. As you enter the bridge, you hear sounds from a 4th of July celebration, a football game, or a protest march. The wall graphic changes to match the sounds using tri-vision panels. Moving past the introduction, you're now greeted by a montage of black and white photography that showcases law enforcement in different ways. The narrative continues, speaking to the different lenses we see law enforcement through. You see large circles mounted to the wall that look like camera lenses or an iris. These screens play randomized video clips that show law enforcement in different lights. As you reach the peak of the bridge, your eye is caught by police badges mounted on the wall to create a large badge silhouette. When one of the 10 badges are pushed, it glows from the rear and you hear a 911 call or the dialogue of a street interaction or a moment in the police station. Sound will be visualized as a projection on the wall beside the badge. Each interactive badge was equipped with LED lights behind it that glow when it is active. It is a multi-sensory experience of touch, sound, and sight, meant to connect you to those officers and community members in an interactive way. Passing the first panel on the left, you are met with a floor-to-ceiling mirror. As you look at yourself in the mirror, your reflection is suddenly replaced by a video of a law enforcement officer telling a personal story, an experience they had that changed them, something that scared them, or simply why they went into law enforcement. You are literally standing in their shoes for a moment, getting a glimpse into their perspective. A total of 481 unique visitors interacted with the display. We were able to triangulate visitors using their Wi-Fi devices to capture data on how many people visited the bridge. On behalf of Advocate, Wondermaker, and Creative Visual Solutions, we are thrilled to enter this in for submission.